Hey, and welcome to Advertising Design. This is a course where creativity is going to meet strategy and your ideas are going to come to life. Here's the thing. I am not here to waste your time. When the videos start, we hop right into learning. So if you're looking for some fancy montage footage that you're going to fast forward through, sorry, this isn't going to be the place. In this course, you're going to dive into the dynamic world of advertising, from understanding how ads influence consumer behavior to crafting powerful campaigns that actually work. You're going to learn how to define your target audiences using demographics, develop creative ad campaigns that have compelling messages. You're going to design logos, billboards, social media content, and more. You can learn to master visual hierarchy, typography, and copywriting. We're also going to analyze some famous ad case studies and find out what made them succeed. But this course isn't just about theory. You're going to create a full advertising campaign from concept to final presentation, including a logo, postcards, social media ads, and a mock website. You're not going to be doing this alone. There's going to be sessions that walk you through each assignment step by step, and you will be able to submit those assignments to my Substack if you would like feedback. Your final project, promoting a city as the ultimate summer family destination. You're going to build a campaign that's cohesive, creative, and compelling. So, are you ready to think like an advertiser, create like a designer, and communicate like a pro? I thought so. So, let's get started.